Hello, this is Chidambara Kalamanji welcoming you to my new channel ChidviJoy School of Digital Music Technology, a channel which is dedicated to impart knowledge on how to use technology for music. I'm basically an engineer, a musician and a trainer. In this video, I'll be presenting what this channel is all about. This is a unique techno art channel that can add value to the students, engineering students, especially Indian engineering students who may belong to any of these disciplines, electronics and communication, or computer science and engineering, or information science engineering, and also for those amateur and professional musicians, those who are interested to empower themselves through technology. Probably the first question that comes to our mind, music is a subject of artists. How is it relevant to technology and engineering students? Let me clarify. For most of us who just listen to music, no doubt music is an art. For some of us who perform traditional music on stage, yes, music is an art. But if you look at the music or the entertainment industry today, of course, music has been a great divine art for ages. All of us agree. Nature and human were the contributors for creating music. But over the ages, things have changed. Today, the great art music is empowered and enhanced by technology. Music industry, like any other industry, is a renowned entity as part of entertainment industry. Modern music is fully dependent on technology. The trend is to consistently blend newer and newer technologies to grow music industry. In summary, music technology is an indispensable part of modern music. No doubt it has added a new dimension to music world. When I use this term music world, what do we mean by this music world? Music world means, as you can see here, music world means music creation or music production, music storage, processing, music analysis, teaching, learning, music information retrieval, music communication. Many subfields are there in music world. Thanks to electronics and computer technologies. To get a feel of how technology is adding new dimension to modern music industry, let's watch this interesting video where music legend A.R. Rahman plays an invisible instrument.
Welcome to CSAR. So can you tell us a little bit about what you've been up to?
I've been working on this modal composition backstage, and so I've been using this for the past 1 year. And the boys have been very kind to incorporate all my requests. So it's something like this.
Okay, so I'm hearing music. There's no instruments. There's no other musicians. Can you tell us a little bit about what's happening here?
So these bands have the Intel Curie technology, and what it does is it kind of senses my gestures and transfers that into MIDI data, and it goes to the computer on one of the softwares and changes that into music.
Got it. So that's, and you've been using this in your concerts for a while now, correct?
Yeah, I did a tour last year all around the US, and I used this technology, and people seem to be very excited about this stuff.
Fantastic. Can you show us a little bit more? Perhaps?
Yeah, I would like to invite Kevin to show some more of this. Kevin's here.
So finally, every teenager's dream, an air guitar that actually works.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I kind of like pushing the boundaries and and see what else is there, because this might trigger a new way of composing, a new
That was awesome, right? Next video is to show you how robots accompany an Indian sitar player in an orchestra. Third one is, let me show you a computer program. When I execute this program, see what happens. Recently, the Google has made music using artificial intelligence. This is where the machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques are used in the music world.
In part by Google's Project Magenta. Project Magenta comes with the Google Brain team, and yeah, Google's got a brain team dedicated to deep learning and machine intelligence. Magenta has a couple of goals. One is to build a community of researchers, coders, and artists. The other goal is to advance machine intelligence for music and art. Google released a 90-second piano tune made using Project Magenta. The melody was created by a neural network. That network was given 4 notes to start. The drum track was added by a more complicated machine called a human being. Google says it doesn't know what to expect from people using its tools. The company likens itself more to a guitar maker, not an artist itself. As far as the song itself, it's not too bad. It doesn't have an amazing hook that'll get stuck in your head all day. It won't be compared to the greatest works of the ages, but come on, it's Project Magenta's first composition. I know I wouldn't want my very first creative work published by a giant company. Let's hope the Google Brain team doesn't program the ability for Magenta to have its feelings hurt. That's it for this Tech News Update. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, and you can stay on top of the biggest stories at cnet.com/update.
The music world is more than $130 billion. It's a growing industry. All big companies are working in this music technology domain. Obviously, music industry needs skilled professionals from electronics and computers technology having music background. So it's an interdisciplinary domain. In the society, you may get pure musicians, you may get pure technologists, but blend of this, cross-section of this, that means those who are musicians who know about technology, so that cross-section is a specialized field, it's a niche field. So it's very important to create human resources who can understand music, who can understand technology, and then they can develop products and tools and create music and contribute to music world. This is why I have started this channel with the following 2 objectives. Number 1, to provide information about what's happening in the music technology world. The second objective is to provide basic training for the beginners of music technology. So there will be series of videos published in YouTube. Okay. What is the motivation for me to start this channel? Let me explain in the next video. Thank you very much. Let's continue our journey. Please subscribe to my channel and get updated.